Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to be talking about splats in CoffeeScript. I'm having a great day. I'm having a great month so far. I got married this month, went on my honeymoon, and I've been super busy. So there have been no tutorials so far. However, I am back and things are a little bit more in control. And so you're going to start to see a lot more tutorials come out in the next few weeks here, okay? So I just wanted to throw that out there before we got started. But so today we're going to be talking about splats, and what splats are is pretty much a way that CoffeeScript you can pass a whole lot of variables to a function that doesn't necessarily have a set amount of arguments. So what the splat does is it's going to take one argument as your first argument and your second argument as your third, and however many you pass through, it's going to be able to accommodate for those arguments. Okay, so that sounds sort of weird, but maybe once we see it in action, you'll get a better idea. First, I'm going to add some types of ingredients here to our list. So in our array here, we have rice, crab, and cucumber. We can have seaweed. We can have tuna, and then we'll put one more. We can have salmon. Okay, so this is our list here. This is our array. What we're going to be doing with it is we're going to be passing it through a function, and so it's going to say, I like rice the most, crab the second most, but I also like, and then it's going to list the rest of them. Okay? So let's write this function. I'll go down here and we can see what this looks like, okay? So you're going to write this just pretty much how you would write a normal function. So we'll just call this I like, and it's going to equal, we're going to pass in, notice how we're going to put one argument, which is going to be rice. So it's what you like the most, so I'm going to have most, second most, and rest. And then after the rest, I'm going to put 3 dots, dot, here, okay? So what this is actually doing is it's saying the first variable that comes in through your array here is going to get assigned to most. The second one that comes in is going to get assigned to second. And then the rest are going to get assigned to the variable rest as an array. So what we can do here is inside of our function, let's put our arrow. So right down here we can alert, we can say quotes I like, and then I'm going to use interpolation. I'm going to do pound, brackets, and then I'm going to type most. Okay, the most. Okay, so if we save this, let's actually just look at our script that it's output over here. So the function is going to say, it's going to create these variables for us, most, rest, second, and most is going to be equal to the first in arguments. Okay, second is going to be equal to the second item in arguments, and then rest is going to be equal to the arguments that's sliced, okay, so that you have the remaining arguments put into rest. And you can also see we're returning an alert that says I like space the most, and this is going to be rice the most. Okay, so if we were to run this function, it would output I like rice the most. So let's continue this. On another line, I can just do I like pound second the second most. Okay, and then we can also say I also enjoy the rest. Okay, we can save this. And now let's take a look at the script. So it's just like before, the most, second, and then it's going to output the rest. Cool. So now we just have to run this function. And to do that, we'll just run it like a normal function call. So we'll do I like, and then you're going to pass it the array, which is type. And when you pass it the array, you want to do the ... Okay? Okay, so to illustrate this code, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it into the chai CoffeeScript section of CoffeeScript's page, so I don't have to load this onto a page or anything. Let's copy this code. I'm going to slide this over here, and I'm going to get rid of what we have. Okay, so in here I'm just going to paste in our code. As you can see, it's already rewritten our code here, and now we're going to run this, and we're going to see it's going to first alert I like rice the most, I like crab the second most, I also enjoy cucumber, seaweed, tuna, and salmon. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, alert 1, I like rice the most, I like crab the second most, I also enjoy cucumber, seaweed, tuna, and salmon. Cool. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay, so this is working perfectly. As you can see, it's accepted the first one, the second one, and then it's added the rest as an array. Of course, in practical situations, you're probably not just going to be alerting them like this, but now that you have them saved into these arguments here, you can do anything you want with that data, okay? Cool, so that makes it nice and easy to throw an array into a function and have it do something, and you don't have to have the exact amount of arguments ahead of time or anything like that, okay? Cool, well that's Splats in CoffeeScript. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment in the video, hit us up at Twitter or LevelUpTuts, let us know what you're thinking. There should be a lot more tutorials on the way very soon. Alright, thanks for watching, bye.